It's my very great pleasure to invite Robyn Mathison to the mic.
I'm going to read the 3 poems of mine that are in the book. The first one is on, for those of you who want to follow it in the book, is on page 61, and it's called Dark Messengers. If it's true that birds are divine messengers, I wonder what it means that ravens nested in my bluegum tree last spring. The young birds raised there, noisy adolescents now, gather at the nest site first thing every morning, strip bark, squawk and squabble. Ah, 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 another raven cries from further down the hill. They call in answer and fly from my garden on slow creaking wings. The next poem of mine is on page 63, and it's called Zosterops lateralis lateralis. The silver eye is in winter best, olive green jacket and russet vest. That isn't a breeze stirring the leaves, but the rest of his flock feeding. And finally, on page 65, you'll find Philomel. Giacomo Leopardi was in Europe, I believe, when he wrote in praise of birds. He would have studied blackbirds, sparrows, starlings, and sweet-voiced nightingales. Birds, he tells us, though free and independent, are none the less sensitive to the presence of man. Where people are gentler, birdsong is too. A kookaburra laughs, and I ponder his theory in this hemisphere. Till 1788, I wonder, was the singing of wattle birds honey sweet?